Hi there everybody, welcome to another video and hope everybody had a good Christmas. Just a quick video here. I'm going to show you the location of the pollen filter on this Honda Jazz. This is a 2006. I think it covers between 2002 till 2008 or something. Anyway, if you go to the passenger side, I'm doing some other work at the moment, trying to fix an airbag light. There'll be another video for that, but in the meantime, so if you get the glove box open here, we need to take this panel out here. We need to take it out. So I already opened it a little bit, but you can just get your screwdriver in there and pry this open, and this whole thing will come out, which will then allow you access to that, and that is where the pollen filter is. So if we just pull on those tabs on the side, you can get your pollen filter out. And just note here the airflow. It shows you an arrow here, but the airflow comes from the top and comes out here. So you need to, when you fit your filter, let's take this filter out, you just need to make sure you get the arrows in the same sort of direction, so it's pointing down rather than pointing up. Now this is it does not make, well, never mind, I'm sure these are widely available. So then you would just go ahead and refit your filter with the arrows pointing in the direction that shows you. Then you can just fit it back in there and push it in, make sure it clips in. Then you can fit this back in as well. Just make sure it clips in there. I'll have to do that with my two hands. I think it's gone in a little bit twisted, but all in all, that's pretty much it. That's how where you can find the filter. So I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.